Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Rakuten for travel. A comprehensive guide that will walk you through the process of booking travel arrangements using this popular platform. Rakuten is a global marketplace that offers a wide range of travel services, including flights, hotels, and car rentals. To get started, you need to create a Rakuten account if you don't already have one. Simply go to the Rakuten website and click on the Sign Up button. Then fill out the registration form with your details. Once you have created your account, you can start searching for travel deals. To search for travel deals, click on the Travel tab on the Rakuten website and select the type of travel service you are looking for, such as flights or hotels. Enter your travel dates and destination, and Rakuten will display a list of available options. You can filter the results by price, rating, and other criteria to find the best deal for your needs. One of the key benefits of using Rakuten for travel is the ability to earn cashback on your bookings. Rakuten offers a cashback program that gives you a percentage of your booking cost back as a reward. To earn cashback, simply make sure you are logged into your Rakuten account when you make your booking. When booking travel arrangements on Rakuten, make sure to read the terms and conditions carefully before making a payment. Check the cancellation policies, payment methods, and any other important details to avoid any unexpected surprises. In addition to booking travel services, Rakuten also offers a range of travel guides and tips to help you plan your trip. You can find information on destinations, activities, and cultural events to help you make the most of your travel experience. To get the most out of Rakuten for travel, make sure to take advantage of the platform's price match guarantee. If you find a lower price for the same travel service on another website, Rakuten will match that price and give you an additional discount. Finally, be sure to download the Rakuten app to access your bookings and travel information on the go. The app also allows you to search for travel deals and book travel services directly from your mobile device. By following these steps and taking advantage of Rakuten's features and benefits, you can use Rakuten to book travel arrangements with confidence and earn cash back on your bookings. Whether you are a seasoned traveler or planning your first trip, Rakuten is a great resource to help you find the best travel deals and make the most of your travel experience.